Diana, how about you? What do you think, especially as a single mom, like why do you think it's even more important to be totally on top of your finances?
As a single mom, like women or mothers, we play such a huge role in our families, whether we're single or we're married. But as a single mom, most of the time it's on us. It's on us, which is a very scary thing, but it's a very powerful thing because we get to shape the future of our little family, right? And so taking control of our finances allows us to shape the future of our family in the way that we see it in our minds. And we have little human beings that we have to care for, that obviously every mom wants to make sure that their kids have a better future than what they've had. So I think that it's very empowering as a single mom to take control of your finances, because literally your destiny and the destiny of your children are in your hands.